Hello guys, I hope you are doing well. I'm gonna show you what I've did from the new input you just gave to me. So I've compared the new plane that John you sent me a few days ago, compared with the one we had before. And what I found, it's now we are slightly longer. So this is the total length. And when I overlay to the plan we had before, I'm gonna put it right at the same place. I realize that where we grow, it's at the back of the yacht, of the stern, right? Um, and also we are a bit wider, so now the new widest length I found it's that is this measurement, which is 9.5 meters. So here is the thing. Thank you so much, guys, to send me that files. As you can see, it's a great help because I can really overlay it with the plan that you just gave to me from both sides, and also I can compare with the work we already had done until now. So if I think it's interesting to make a quick look about the difference with the plan. So I think honestly it's much very good for a hand job made, you know. I found that there is a slightly difference in the inclination here. Also, now I guess we are missing the hull. It's not exactly easy to know if I should align it here or here because obviously the scan, I think you've made it from the interior, right? So then you have to add to think to the thickness here of the planks, but still it's honestly it's super precise. I have all the definition of all the structure, you know, as reference. So yeah, it's gonna be great help for me for sure. And so what is cool that it's we can compare to the hull we had before. For example, one thing I saw also like this structure. Well, I think it's matched perfectly the measurement, honestly. And I think I don't know you guys, but I think I should refer best as main reference with this 3D scan rather than the plan, because this I think gonna be the more precise reference that we could have now. And if I compare it to the project we had, which is this one, so obviously we had the difference, the hull became a bit longer. Let me activate the scan hull. Yeah. And yeah, one difference, this is the thing I also noticed on the photo you sent to me. The hull is more flat, you know. Mine was like more rounded, you know, rounded, you know, like this curve. And look at the difference. So here, I think this is gonna change a lot in the interior. So it's super nice to have this. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna adapt this geometry. So I will have to, I think, go back a few steps before. And yeah, this geometry, I'm gonna make it longer. I'm gonna basically match it perfectly to that reference, and then adapt the structure and the design. So we have an updated base to work on. And yeah, I think I'm gonna start with that. If you have any question, any comment, please let me know. And then we can go further in the definition of the interior. If you have any priority regarding the planning, also let me know. And let's talk soon. I'm gonna make another round. Yeah, it's quite wider compared to the reference we had. Because if I remember well, we had 43 total length, and now we have 47. No, we had 45 total length. And let me see the structure, compare it. This I'm gonna have to make it again too. Well, you see, it's matched pretty well. I'm gonna double check the interval between each ribs. So I will match also taking in account the reference, because I think this is. I don't know if the structure will still be moving. Meanwhile, the bolt is going more in detail, but I will take those planks as reference for the space of each ribs. That's great. And that's all. I'm not gonna make it longer at the moment, and I will send you an update when I have adapted the geometry to this. Thank you guys. Thank you for your attention.